Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Arkam. Today in this lecture I will discuss about the bar bending schedule for 2A slab. Okay, so we have this 2A slab. Now looks here. We have this 2A slab. So this is the beam. Now looks here. This is the beam and having width is 304.8000 millimeter, and from here to here we have length is equal to 8000 millimeter, and from here to here we have length is equal to 6000 millimeter. Okay, now looks here, this is the bent up bar, this is also bent up bar, and this is also bent up bar. We can also call it crank bar also. Okay, because from here to here this is bent, so we can also call it crank bar. And this is the this bars is the top extra bars. Okay, so this was about plan. Now looks here, so this is the cross section of the plan when I cut from here to here. So it will looks like like here. So this is the crank bar and this is the top extra bars. Okay, so now looks here, and 2A slab. So basically we should know that what is 2A slab. So 2A slab is equal to longer span divided by shorter span when I divide this by this. So the value that is given, that we take from this equation, that must be less than 2. So if I get 1, so this will be 2A slab. Okay, and now we will provide beams to each and every side of slab. So if we have, now looks here, this is 2A slab, here also beam, here also beam, here also beam, and here also beam. So this is 2A slab system. Therefore we provide beams at the each corner or each side. Okay, now looks here, in 2A slab the loads will distributed on the both sides, like top to bottom side and left to right side. So now looks here, we have 2A slab, the load will be distributed in this way also, and this way also, this way also, and also this way. So at the four side the load will be distributed in the 2A slab system. Okay, so this is the pattern of load distribution in the 2A slab system. So we the given that this is the data that is given to us. So length of slab is equal to 8000 millimeter, width of slab is equal to 6000 millimeter. This is thickness or height of slab is equal to 150 millimeter. Clear cover that is given to us is 25 millimeter. Diameter of main bar and distribution bar is 12 mm. And center to center distance of main bar and distribution bar is 150 millimeter. Development length is equal to LD is equal to 40D. So development length we will be take 40D. Okay, 40 multiplied by diameter of bar. Okay, for the main bar and distribution bar for both. Okay, so diameter of top extra bar for both sides is equal to 8 mm. Center to center distance of top extra bar for both sides is equal to 150 millimeter. And for 40 angle bend, we will take 1D1, and D is the diameter of bar. Okay, so this is x distance from center bent up bar from the top and to the bottom. So now looks here, from here to now looks here, from here to here we have this x, this is the only x. So x is equal to distance from the center of bent up bar from the top to the bottom. So from the top to the bottom, from the center of top bar to the center of bottom bar, this distance is called the this distance is called x. Okay, so this is x. Now looks here, the first step is to find the number of main bars. So for main bars we know that clear length divided by center to center plus 1. So now number of bars is equal to, this is clear length. So for main bar now looks here, if we have to find the number of main bars, so this is the shorter side and this is the longer side. So we will place the place the main bar like this pattern, like this pattern. Okay, because we will put the slab, we will put the main bar at the shorter side. So this is the shorter side, and so we will take this length for the main bar. So now looks here, number of main bars is equal to 8000 divided by, this is the center to center distance for main bar, and plus 1. So number of main bar is equal to 54.33. So I take the 55 number of bars. Okay, number of distribution bar is equal to length, so I will take 6000 now here, divided by center to center plus 1. So now distribution bar is equal to 41 numbers. So now to find the x, so as I discussed in the previous slide, thickness of slab minus 2 into concrete cover top to bottom, top and bottom, and minus 2 into d divided by 2. So this is the formula for x. So this is the concrete cover, so this is the thickness of slab. Okay, this is the thickness of slab, sorry, this is the thickness of slab, this is 2, this is concrete cover, this is also, sorry, this is also 2, and this is dia of bar, and this is divided by 2. So we will get the 88 millimeter. So now to find the cut length of main bent up bar, so I have to find the cut length of the bent up bar. So clear, for that we have formula, clear span plus 2 into LD plus 1 into 0.42 multiplied by x minus 2 into 45 degree, this is degree, 45 degree bend. So I will so look here, we have this clear span for cut length of main bar. So this is the clear span, this is the clear span. Okay, so this is 2 into LD is the development length. Okay, so development length we see in the previous lecture that we will take 40 multiplied by d. So okay, for development length we here we put the diameter, and this is the 40 as constant, and plus 1 into 0.42. so I have to find and multiply by this x. So this is the value of x, and this is 0.42. so this is the formula for if the bar is like this. So for that we have to find this length only once, therefore I take 1, and 0.42 as the constant for this, and we will multiply x with this number, so we will get the and this overall the bend from here to here we will take we will get from this formula. Okay, now I have to deduct 2 and 2, 1 multiplied by d is equal to 2. We have this is also 45 angle, and here also put 45 angle. Okay, so therefore we have 2, and 1 multiplied by 2 is the 1d for the 45 angle bend. Okay, so when I simplify these all, so I will get the 697 2.96 millimeter. So when I divide this by 1000, okay, so I will get 6.97296 millimeter. Now looks here, cutting length of distribution bent up bar. So that was so this was about the main bar. So now looks here, this is about the distribution bar. So clear span plus 2 into LD, the same formula we will use here. So this is 8000, and this was 6000. So this is the difference between bent up bar, sorry, the main bar and distribution bar. This or the formula are same with the like the main bar. So 8000 is the length, 2 and 2 4, 40 multiplied by d. So this is 40 multiplied by d for development length, plus 1 into 0.42 is the constant, and multiplied by x for the we will add this, and minus 2 into 1 multiplied by d for the 45 angle bend. Okay, so cutting length of distribution bar is equal to 8972.96. So when I divide this by 1000, so I will get the value in meter. So this is the value of cutting length of distribution bar in meter. Okay, so now the number of top extra long bar is equal to, so this is given to us that you take the top extra bar is L divided by 5. So I take the length, so this is length divided by center to center plus 1. So this is the top extra bar number of bar, the top extra bar. So L divided by, so this is the length extra bar for long bar. So for long bar I will take 6000 divided by 5, and divide so this is and divide by center to center plus 1. So I will get the 9 at the top extra bar, so and the bottom also. Okay, so if the bend is like this way, okay, so here we will put the 9 bar, and also here we will put the 9 bar. So that's why I add 9 plus 9, we will get the 18 number of the top extra bar for the top extra long bar. Okay. Now looks here. So this is the cross section of the top extra bar. So we will put here the number of bars here at the 9 here, and also 9 here. Okay, 9 here. So now looks here. Number of top extra short bar. So L divided by 5 divided by center to center plus 1. So we will take 8,000 here divided by 5 divided by 150 plus 1. So I will get the 11.667 at the left side. So and also at the right side. Okay, so when I add these both, so I will get the 23.334. So the total extra number of total extra short bar at the short bar. So if the bend is like this way, so we will put here at 12 bar, and also we will put here 12 bar. So that's why we will add this with this. So I will get 24 number of bar. So this is the short extra bar. Now looks here. So this is the development length is equal to LD is equal to 40 multiplied by D. From here to here we have this development length. Okay. From here to here we have this development length, and from here to here we have this development length. Okay, and this is x. From here to here we have this x distance, and this is the 45 angle bend. For the 45 angle bend we will take 1D only. So now looks here in this slide, cut length of top extra bar. So I have for top extra long bar. So long long length plus 2 into LD. So this is 2 into LD. So we will add we will add the, so long length plus 2 into LD. So this is the long length plus 2 into L is the LD is the, so this is 2 and this is 40 multiplied by D. So diameter of the top extra long bar is 8 mm. So therefore I multiply this by 8. Okay, 40D. So 40 multiplied by dia. So I will get this and this. Okay, and millimeter, when I divide this by 1000, so we will get the cut length of top extra long bar in meter, 8.640. Okay, now looks here, cut length of top extra short bar. So long length, this is not the long length, this is the short length. Okay, now here we will use the short length. Okay, short length. So short length plus 2 into LD. So this is the short length plus 2 into LD. LD means 40 multiplied by diameter. So diameter of the top extra short bar is 8 mm. So I will when I simplify these, I will get the answer in millimeter. Okay, so 6 divided by 4, 6 divided by 6640 millimeter divided by 1000, 6.640 in meter. Okay, so I think this is enough for today. I will discuss the I will discuss the Excel sheet for this for the 2 slab system in the next coming video. So if you have any question regard this lecture, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.